What the hell is BI? That's a very good question. It's a broad term. However, cutting to the chase, it's about transforming your data into actions that empower the organization to achieve the objectives set. The diagram illustrates the steps perfectly. So why bother? People respond well when they themselves understand their environment and how they fit in. Most importantly, how their contributions achieve agreed objectives. In other words, to attain employee buy-in, individuals need to comprehend how scorecards, KPIs are determined. Reports with charts, maps help people to make informed decisions. Examples of this are Florence Nightingale's Rose diagram. The diagram illustrated the causes of mortality during the Crimean War. Florence Nightingale's use of statistical diagrams proved hospitals kill. However, if the right improvements are made, then mass deaths in hospitals could be avoided. Another example, Dr. John Snow. Use of maps traced the source of cholera outbreak in Soho, London in 1854. Both examples have literally saved millions of lives. And that's the power of data. You might be thinking BI is only for large organizations. Yes, you are right in some ways. Why? Because the infrastructure required to crunch large data sets, then extract actionable insights, necessitates hardware and large numbers of people. However, thankfully, you're also wrong. Using Excel 2013 and onwards, Power Query, Power Pivot, Power View, Power Map, and Office 365 Power BI are tools you may already have and are available to you, and this allows you to compete with large organizations. If you add cloud services such as Azure, if you need to, you have access to the same technologies as large organizations at a fraction of the cost. So like everything in IT, there's no right or wrong answer as such. In other words, there's usually more than one way to achieve the same objective. So let's take a look at Excel Self-Service BI. Excel 2013 onwards comes with Power Pivot and Power Query. Power Pivot will be used to create data models. Power Query will be used to pull in data from multiple sources. You may have experience of using these tools, for example, Access SQL databases. However, I should add, using Power Query enables us to extract large public or private data sets, and you may as yet not have had an opportunity to use such a tool. Power View we will use to create visual presentations of your data. An example would be maps. Power Maps we will use to create powerful maps. For example, Dr. John Snow's maps trace the source of cholera outbreak in Soho, London. Office 365 Power BI is a tool for SharePoint sites dedicated to business intelligence. Tools such as Power BI, QA, Power Query and data management enable users of a site to ask questions of the data without having to understand code. Power BI app enables mobile device users to view and question data. Now I've explained what the course covers, let's move